GT3000 Boiler Tube Cleaner Installation Guide. Straighten the flexible shaft before use. Attach the shaft to the machine. Ensure a tight connection to avoid leaks. Simultaneous dual shaft use. Remove the hose connector and screw it onto the shaft inlet. Attach the T-fitting to the quick connector, then connect the opposite end to a water supply faucet. Plug the power cord into the machine. Connect the power cable to the electrical panel according to the markings. Turn the power on. Release the emergency stop switch. Press the start button. The green light will turn on. Adjust the operating speed. The speed is adjustable from 0 to 2800 RPM. Switch to remote control to operate the cleaning head.